What should I do first? You now, your turn to teach now. Okay, I have been teaching for the past, wow, quite a while already. Your turn. You guide us one by one. What is the first thing that I should do? What is the second thing that I should do? Let's go. Hayden.
Hayden had some marbles.
Okay, what should I do?
Break down the sentence.
Okay, so I need to write number 1. Correct or not? Okay, can you do the same thing? Thank you. Now, what did he do in sentence number 2? You can read for me.
He gave Tom 120 marbles.
Oh, wow. 120. It's a whole number. It's a part and it's a whole number. Am I making sense?
Yeah.
All right. So what do you think you should do?
So it's a type C question.
Oh, wow. Nice. Is this from fractions, remainder of remainder?
Yes.
Yeah, so we have to put R over there to remind ourselves that it is about remainder of remainder. Am I making sense?
Yeah.
So what should I do for this part? He gave Tom 120 marbles. What should I do first?
Draw a model.
Draw a model. Very good. So we draw a model, and then after that, what do we write inside? The block of wood. Because if you don't put anything inside, it means nothing. So what do I write over here?
120.
Absolutely. And then we are going to say that everyone over here is basically for Tom. Everything over here is basically for Tom. Make sense? Yeah. Now, in sentence number 3, it says what? He gave what of the remainder to Harry?
2 out of 9.
Okay. So what are we going to do? How many units am I going to draw? Ria?
9.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Am I making sense? How many units am I going to shade?
2.
2 units. 1, 2. Am I making sense? And this is for who?
Harry.
Very good. So once I'm done with drawing all of these things, right? Okay, I can read the next sentence. Agree so far? Can you read for me? He found that.
He found that he had half of his original number of marbles left.
Now, whenever you see a type C question, it always is phrased in this manner. Where do you think is the half? Where do you think is the left? Can you point to me? Left. From where to where? You point to me? Very good. So Ria, are you saying from here all the way to here, correct or not? So from here all the way to here, we are going to say that this is left. Am I making sense here? All right. Can see? And this left is actually how much? What did they say?
Half.
They say half. So what do I write? I write half. Am I making sense? And then I ask myself, how many units are there? Are you able to tell us or tell the audience, in fact?
7.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Agree or disagree? So if this is half, or in fact, if this is 7 units, then what is my hidden information here? Because you see, we want to find how many units equals to 120. Isn't that true? Yeah, so what do you write over here?
Half.
Very good, right now? Because if I have half on my right, I will have half on my left. Agree or disagree? If I give you this marker, I say, hey, Ria, you're going to take half of the marker. That means teacher Joseph is left with half. Half is my hidden information. Make sense? This is how many units? Are you able to tell me?
7.
Very good, right? You see, if this is half and this is 7 units, then half over here must also be 7 units. Agree or disagree? Now, what do you do next, Ria? Come, show us your power.
So, Harry is 2 units.
Very good, because 1 unit over here, 1 unit over here, right? And then?
Then Tom is 5 units.
Very good. So we say 5 units. How did we get 5 units? You might want to teach them, tell them how did Ria think so quickly and say it's 5 units.
7 minus 2.
Very good. 7 units minus 2 units, right? Where is that 7 units? That 7 units is the whole thing, correct or not? I minus away these 2 units from Harry. Therefore, I can say that this 120 is basically my 5 units. So now, the moment you're done with this, right? Of course, you want to find Mr. Green Man, right? Which is 1 unit. Can you see 1 unit over here? So what do you think 1 unit is? I will have to do 120 divided by 5. Agree so far? Right? According to Ria, when she did 120 divided by 5, she got to 24. Agree or disagree? The moment you have Mr. Green Man, you must understand Mr. Green Man is a prompt for you to read the final sentence. It is like a reminder. Read the final sentence. Read the final, like an alarm clock in math. So the moment you see Mr. Greenman, it means I am giving you the green light to read the final sentence, which is sentence number 5. Agree so far? How many marbles did Hayden have? The key word here is the word at first. What is at first? At first means from where to where?
Here.
Very good. She said from here to here. But those of you who are watching this, you cannot see her, right? So she said from here, this point, can you see my cursor? All the way here. My question to you is how many units is that?
That's 14 units.
Very good. How did we get 14? Because we did 7 plus 7 units. Agree so far? So that gives me 14. Agree or disagree? So 24 times 14, right? This is what I need to do in order for me to find the total number of marbles Hayden have at first. And therefore, my answer for this question has to be 3. 3, 6. Hi everyone, if you like this video, you can click right here for a similar video or you can view our playlist here.